Hey guys, it's Wilford, and I'm a financial advisor. And today, we're going to the bank. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about checking accounts.
Yeah!
You want to buy a car? You want to buy a house? You want to buy more coconuts?
Woohoo!
Then you have to deposit into your checking account.
Woo!
When you make a withdrawal, it comes out of your checking account. Deposits also go into your checking account.
Ooh.
But you only want to withdraw from your checking. Your savings account is for saving. Without money in your checking account, then you can't buy anything.
What?
You can't buy toys. You can't buy games. You can't buy a house. And most of all, you can't buy coconuts.
Come on, man.
This is why you need to deposit into your checking account more than you withdraw.
You smart. You very smart.
If you withdraw too much, then you will overdraft your checking account. An overdraft is when you withdraw too much and you don't have enough money in your bank account. You can withdraw cash from your checking account at the bank. You can withdraw with your debit card at the store. You can even withdraw electronically from your phone.
Oh, wow. Wow. Wow.
A cash withdrawal from the ATM or your bank account is available to use right away. A debit card withdrawal from the ATM or store is completed immediately if done with your PIN number. Shh. A personal identification number, or PIN for short, is a secret number that you use with your debit card and never share with anyone. An electronic withdrawal comes out of your checking account right away. But be careful setting up an electronic withdrawal because an electronic withdrawal comes out automatically and it may be difficult to stop if not monitored. Talk with a parent before you do an electronic withdrawal. Therefore, if you need money right away, withdraw cash or use your debit card. No one can withdraw from your checking account if they are not a joint on your account. A joint is another person that can withdraw from your bank account. But be careful. Always know the joint that you are putting on your bank account because they can steal your money. Now, let's go open a checking account. Hi there, Leo. It's great to see you again.
Mr. Wilford, it's wonderful to see you.
I want to open a checking account.
Well, of course. I'll be happy to assist you. All I need is your ID.
Here you go.
Thank you, Mr. Wilford. As a teller, I make deposits and withdrawals. A deposit is when you put money into your checking account. A withdraw is when you take money out of your checking account. This is your new account number and routing number. With a checking account, you get a debit card. A debit card is used to buy things, like toys. But be careful with your new account and do not lose your debit card. Because if you do, then robbers can steal your money. Now that you have your first checking account, you can deposit and you can withdraw. And most of all, you can buy more coconuts.
Yahoo!
Thanks for helping us, Leo. We can't wait to see you again.
Of course, Mr. Wilford. Have a great day.
Wow! Today, we opened our first checking account.
Woo!
Remember, guys, your money is safer in the bank than keeping it in your pocket, and only withdraw what you need. You don't want to lose any money. When mommy and daddy gives you money, go open a checking account. Like us and subscribe to our channel and tell us in the comments what animal you want to see next. Join us next time because we're going to the bank. Let's go, guys.
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos para allá, vamos para allá. No quiero más problemas. Quiero más fiesta.